Hello, my digital planner friends. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to do the December plan with me. We're going to use a Christmas theme kit. I'm so excited about this. If you're new around here, my name is Brandi Reed, and I'm with 3 Nail Faith, where I create digital planners, digital stickers, digital devotionals, prayer Bibles, and prayer Bible supplies. We're going to be doing again a December theme for Christmas, and I'm really excited about this kit. If you're new around here, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a single video, and hit that like button if you love to watch Digital Plan with Me's. Let's get to planning. All right, so we are going to use this Christmas baking kit that is a free kit inside of our customer hub to do our December plan with me. Let's go ahead and look at that sticker kit. It's got 4 scriptures, prayer list to do, some washi tapes, some flags. We have some icon stickers, some emotion weather stickers, your week cover stickers, some words, your weekend flag. Have these adorable date covers, some cooking decorative stickers, some extra stickers, and some scripture stickers. So that is our kit that we're going to use. There is our December month. And I like to use the elements tool. So I'm going to come over to the elements. And I forgot to pull it up. Christmas baking. We are going to pull that back up. Tap that little box and it pulls it up on the side. You use this little thing and you can slide it over. Okay, so we are going to decorate December. We're going to start with our week covers. Here they are. We're going to drag them in. You want to tap, hold until it kind of releases up, and then you can slide it over. All right, if you use your 2 fingers and push out, that will zoom in on your planner. You want to use your photo tool. Tap and pull. You can pull in. The reason you want to use your photo tool is you have a little bit more, you can control it better. You have all of these extra features. Like if you just use the element tool, you only have this guy right here. Whereas if you hit the photo tool, you have that extra. Okay, so let's see. We'll go ahead and get these all filled in real quick. Alrighty, we have all that filled in. Now let's go ahead and do our washi, which is always at the bottom of mine. Oh, I just love this. All right, see, you can see it how it's kind of crooked and won't go straight. That's again why you want to use your photo tool and straighten it out. There you go. Let's see. We're going to pull this guy in too. Again, use our photo tool. Super cute. Super, super cute. Oh, let's make that a bit bigger. Okay. There we go. All right. Now, I like to do, I passed it. My weight, beginning of the month and the end of the month. So we're going to put it, I think I'm just going to do them both right here. Okay, there we go. And we're going to go ahead and start. Let's see. Oh, first thing I need to do is the kids' school break. I'm going to do red. And what you're going to do is go to your photo tool and shrink it down. I like to, let's see, they are off the 23rd through, let's see, they're off this entire week. There we go. That's the size I like. Okay, so we got that. Copy, and we're going to paste, and then we're going to photo tool. Wrong one. Photo tool, and bring that in so that way I can put it down here as well. Alrighty, so now we need to use your text tool and write no school. And it went together. So if you draw a line through it, it's going to separate it. And lasso. Yeah. We want to copy, paste, and match because I need 2 of them. And stick that one right there. Okay. So now the kids' school is set. So that way we can work around that. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is go over to my Sunday. We go to church. I like to plan my Sundays, get my week ready. Make sure everything is on my calendar, ready to go. Just makes my week go so much smoother if I've got all that already taken care of. And there we go. Now we have a coffee chat once a week. Now where is my coffee cup? Let's start with that. It's red, so I don't want to use red as my flag. I like to do opposite, plus my red right there. So let's do the green. We're gonna go to my photo tool so everything is straight and not wonky. All right, now I'm gonna make this, I lassoed it, tapped it, resize, and I don't know why I did that. Okay, so it's behind because I put this one on first, or last. So we're gonna tap it, we're gonna come over here to the arrow, hit arrange, and send to back. So now it is all in the right order. I'm gonna go to my text tool, tap, coffee, chat, and we're going to get my lasso tool, and we're gonna lasso around all of that copy. All right, what I want to do with this is I'm going to tap my text tool so that I can move just my text tool over. And now I'm going to paste and match and bring this one over. There we go. I like that. Tuesdays, nothing goes on. Wednesdays is Bible study. Alrighty, Thursdays is, we have 2 things going on Thursdays. We have our digital planning meetup, and normally it is the last Thursday of the month. But because it's right after Christmas, I'm kind of afraid that people are still going to have holiday plans. So we're going to move it up a week. And if you're not familiar with the digital planning meetup is, it's where we meet for 1 hour every month and we plan our next month. We get it ready. We chat with other Christian, fellow Christian business owner, or not business owner, other Christian digital planners, not business owners, silly me. I mean, you could be a business owner, but usually they're not. So that's what we do. Then you also get the digital devotional and the sticker kit that is for that particular month. You'll get that free you don't have to purchase. Then you also will get one exclusive sticker kit that is only available through the digital planning meetup. And once that month is over, that sticker kit is gone. And so you won't be able to get that. And it's never sold anywhere else. It's just exclusively for the digital planner meetup people. So that's an added benefit for joining the membership. So I will put that link in the description for you if you're not already a member of the digital planning meetup. I'll also leave the link for the free customer hub for this sticker kit. That'll all be in the description below. Okay, so I went ahead and put the pay bill and my family time in. We need a prayer list and a to-do list because I like my lists. Let's see what color. I want to do prayer list in red. And let's see, we'll do the to-do in green. And what do I want to put in the center this month? Let's see. I'm going to put the scripture in the middle. And then I need our decorative stickers to decorate her up. And sometimes this happens. If you just slide over, they'll pop back. Let's see. We got that one. The cake. The mixing bowls. Zoom in a little bit so I can see this a little bit better. I'm gonna stick that even though it's not in this. It'll be all right. We're gonna do it like that. And let's see, is there anything else that I'm missing? Oh yes, I've got a little hole right there. I'm gonna put in nothing red. Let's see. Put the rainbow this month. No, I don't want the rainbow. We're gonna put the cake. We're gonna put an extra cake because it's adorable. Alrighty. I believe that is it for this month. That's what we came up with for our month of December. Super cute, super simple. I will leave the links for all those things that we talked about in the description below. If you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single video. And I will see you in the next one. I hope you have a wonderfully blessed day. Bye-bye.